98, they went back out and bought a Bell 407, not this particular aircraft, but we actually put 16,000 hours on the other 407. It was in 1998, and it's still flying today. And then we got this aircraft in July of 2019. It's a 2018 GXI. We are a patrol ship, so we support the guys on the ground, the guys and gals on the ground. Anybody that runs from the cops, that's our deal. Absolutely. We love the 407. For what we do, it's probably the best ship around. We do a lot of cars that don't want to get caught, guys that don't want to get caught, gals that don't want to get caught. They're driving fast in an urban area. The 407 allows us to kind of throw it around. It's kind of a sports car. We don't overtax the aircraft, but it's very capable at what it does. I could go from 120 knots to 60 knots in a matter of a few seconds without over speeding the rotor system, where heavier aircraft would have an issue with that. You have to be more gentle with it. We follow cars most often. If there's somebody that bails out of a vehicle or runs from a crime scene into a neighborhood, they'll establish a perimeter and have police officers that are around the area. If the suspect is in there, we work a lot with the canines, so we will establish an orbit around that area. We'll look for heat signatures. Hopefully it's a suspect, and then we'll guide people in.
This aircraft's amazing. It flies really well. You can put it through its paces and really wrench this thing around chasing cars and stuff. It flies great. We've got really good mission equipment on the aircraft as far as a camera and a light is concerned.
We have the MX-10 thermal imager and the Traca beam. Now, people think of the police helicopter, they think of the light. The light is actually, in my opinion, for the guys on the ground.
That we can really do some cool stuff with this thing. It really aids in putting some bad guys in jail. We're picking up cars 6-7 miles away. You can tell people that you're already on scene, and the aircraft is still, miles away. But with that camera, you've already got things on camera. You're already calling out locations of cars, and you're not even close to being there yet. I think that's pretty cool.
Having, the TCAS in the helicopter is absolutely invaluable. There's a lot of news helicopters, medical helicopters, general aviation aircraft that are around the Denver area, and so having the TCAS is invaluable for us. It's just been a great platform for us. We'd like to add a 429 at some point. That's the aircraft that we'd love to add at some point down the future. I think it's the best. I have the most experience in the 407. I have 4,500 hours of 407 time, so I'm a fan. It's taken very good care of me.